Alegra. Babes, I was so in love with Kim Kardashian's makeup the other day at the Met Gala that I just had to go ahead and try and recreate it for myself. So that's what I did. I went ahead and just played around and just tried to come up with my own version of the look that Mario did on Kim. I just loved it so much. So that's the look that I did today. And also, babes, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it so much. And definitely, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So if you'd like to see how I put together this Kim Kardashian Met Gala makeup inspired look, then just keep watching. So first I'm starting with this Smashbox primer water, and I just love this. Now I'm gonna go work on my brows while that's soaking in. So first we're just starting with drawing on outline, and I'm using my Covergirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. So we're gonna give a really full brow like Kim Kardashian has. So I'm pretty much just sketching it on though, since I do have small brows. And then we're going to fill in with our Anastasia dip brow. And I just put a little bit on the cap to kind of distribute it. And then place it on my brows. And then work it through with the spoolie. So we could get that full brow look like Kim has. So now I'm going in with CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. And I really love this. It has lots of vitamins in it and gives you a nice glow. So this is going to be really great under all the foundations that I'm going to put on today. So now I'm using this Morphe concealer as an eyeshadow base, and I'm just loving this, and it only costs like $5. So it's a great dupe for a MAC paint pot, and it really works really great. So then I'm just going to take a brush and smooth it on my eye though. So now I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills this is Birkin, and just using a super fluffy brush. And that was just a little palette that I put together myself. Those are my favorite colors for like travel. So now I'm taking Burnt Orange on a slightly slimmer brush now. This is a MAC 221, and just placing that slightly lower. And now I'm going in with the Jennifer Lopez Inglot shade. This is Rich Gold. I am so in love with this color. It's absolutely gorgeous in real life. It's kind of, you know, I have a lot of lights, so you can't really see the true color of it. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm going to get another one because I love it that much. So now I'm going in with MAC Kohl eyeliner in Smolder, and we're just going to line our upper lashes and then our lower waterline, and just go ahead and smudge that right into your lower lashes, not just your waterline. And then so I'm tight lining here, and then I'm going to do my upper waterline as well. So now I'm going in with Inglot Gel Liner in 77 and a smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge that right on top of the eyeliner that we laid down. And then I'm taking a very, very fine tip. This is like a lip brush actually. And I'm just working that right over the pencil eyeliner that we laid down. So we can start to build up the drama now. And now we're going to start to work on that tear duct area and make that really gorgeous kind of Egyptian vibe going on. And now I'm taking another lip brush. So you just want to use the teeny tiniest brushes that you have. Lip brushes are great. And just kind of sketch right in there your, you know, that Mediterranean, Middle Eastern type of liner. So now I'm taking, this is the Kat Von D shade in Sabbath, and I'm just going to pack that eyeshadow powder right on top of the gel liner that we laid down. So you just want to layer and pack now with the smudger brush. So now I'm taking Too Faced. This is the Licorice eyeliner. I absolutely love this liner. I know at first I didn't really get it, but now I really love it. It's super black and it's really amazing for doing a very extreme cat eye or liquid liner look. So I'm just going over everything now again with that liquid liner to hold everything in place pretty much. So I'm going to start working on the face while I let those kind of sink in and dry a bit. And I'm just using my Kryolan Ultra Foundation palette, and I'm using the white shade in the palette. And then I'm going to go in with a darker shade to contour. And then I'm going in with my Covergirl Trueblend Matte Made foundation, and I'm going to start with the shade M90 for contouring. And then I'm going to go in with L30 to highlight. So first I'm starting with the darker shade, and now I'm going in with the lighter shade. And as you can, it's like a reverse contour kind of. It's going to show up, but it's more natural looking since you're kind of disguising it under the foundation. And I'm just working that in with my beauty blender. And now I'm using my Amazing Cosmetics Perfection Stick. I absolutely love this for contouring. It's my favorite. And so I'm going to put that on my contours and then take a dual fiber type brush and just work it in. And then I'm setting now with my RCMA translucent powder. And we're just going to let that bake and set. And doing the underside of our contour as well to make that really stand out. Now I'm just contouring my nose with a little bit of a bronzing powder. So now I'm going in with some MAC Mineral Skin Finish to just set our contours, and that was in medium deep. So now I'm taking my pencil brush and I'm using that same shade Sabbath to smudge out the liner. And then I'm taking this Edward Best blush, and I absolutely love it, and I put that on. So now I'm using my House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and now I'm taking my Inglot lip liner in nude, and we're just going to sketch out a huge lip for us. I love this lip liner so much. And then I'm taking Too Faced lipstick in Dolly, I believe. I'll link it below. So now I'm just taking some Perversion mascara from Urban Decay, and you want to load that up on your lower lashes and also on your upper lashes. And so now I'm just going back over our lipstick again just to reinforce the lip liner. And you just want to gently blend the edges, but not too much so you have that contrast. So then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus spray just to set and get everything. So babes, this is the finished look. I had so much fun putting together this look. I feel like it's kind of simple, but there's the contouring, there is that kind of Egyptian, oh, I love it. I actually think, you know, surprisingly, this is a very wearable look. So thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today and checking out my Kim K Met Gala makeup look. And so I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye, love you.